Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with this man. In our last video, we make a replicated score system, but there is one issue in that when player A collects an object, the score is updated, but on client side it is not being displayed under the correct player, and same for the other. So in this video, we will fix that issue. First, we find out what causing that issue. So for this reason, I have to go in our WPP score widget and we see that we are using the indexes at our player array. So player index order is not guaranteed to be used on every machine. Sometimes it is very good and sometimes it is very bad. So and it is also different between server and client and causing the wrong score to be displayed. So for this reason, we will use a player index. So first we move in our play state and we make a variable here called player index and its variable type must be a integer and its application type also must be a replicated. We compile and save and after that we go in our default game mode as my game mode is open. On here we search a row called event post login. Why we use event post login? Because whenever a new player joins the game, this function is fired out. On here, we use a node called get all actor of class, and we use called player controller. The player controller we use for each loop. From for each loop, we use a player state, and from player state we pass to our person player state. From cost, we use our variable called get player index that we made in that play state variable and we set that and we will set our play index of our player controller to that player index. We set that player index after for each loop because it will give every player a unique player index number. We'll compile and save that and after that we will again go our uh, widget blueprint or score system and start little change our here first that where we uses our get index node we will remove that and we simply use for each loop on here and we also use our play index variable that play index variable and from there we use a switch on init and for player A we keep them a zero. We will copy that code, actually copy new node and must paste on the other get play B score. We remove our get one index, simply plug our new for each loop, connect to our cast, and we also connect our player index and from third person play state. On the player A, we are using the zero index, and for the player B, we must use the first index. Sorry, that's its mean the first application pin. We compile that, and after save, we will run our game. Now we see the when a player A score is updated, it appears under player A on the both the server and client. Likewise, when player B score is updated, it is shown under the player B on the both the server and client, ensuring that every player sees the correct score in a correct place. Now score is fully replicated and displayed and correctly for each player. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.